Angela Wade, thank you so much for the generous contributions. Hi everyone, I'm Bruce Swartz. Thank you very much for the support, the contributions, especially the comments. You guys are amazing in comment section. So supportive, and that's what makes me thrive to want to continue this, to show you guys, because you guys are very appreciative, and I thank you. We're looking at a UFO. Yes, at the end of August footage, my last footage that I've done. I'm still looking through it right now. See, this is why winter times are really cool around here in Canada. And no worries, the moon videos do not stop. They get very creative, and I'm going to have a lot of new techniques that I'm going to be applying with many new little gadgets and devices that I'll be all sharing with you, of course, to know exactly what we are doing and seeing on the surface. So we're going to see a UFO go by fairly quickly, and I got two UFOs. One of them looks like the space station. No, I just had to say that to get a bunch of people attracted here to come and comment, I guess. Anything I'll say, you guys get so mad, some of you, at me for whatever. I'm just saying what I'm seeing, you know. I saw something like a square bed with an arm coming off of the side of it. These objects, and these are the dim. Here it's coming in. Watch it. That way it's going to go that way. There it is. It's crossing now. And this is a shadow. But now here's the thing when you're analyzing UFOs, guys. Is the object going fast? Is the object going slow? Is it spiraling? And is it in a straight trajectory while it's spiraling? This one was in a straight trajectory. Not spiraling at all, was very stable. So an object that is going by that is stable is, so long me, it's controlled, right? It's being driven. Whether drone or not, I don't know, but it is being driven. Satellite, there it is. You can see it go by. If it's a satellite, here's the thing. Satellites aren't big. And with my telescope, I should not be able, so long me, to be able to get them. So maybe these objects are a little bigger than satellites, but we'll see here again. We'll zoom up on it. It's going to go from left to right, and we're going to see an object go from top to bottom after that. Just an exquisite look at it's going over the Apollo 11 moon landing, by the way. That's exactly where we're going to see it go by. The moon landing is right here, right there, and oh, there it is underneath. It just went by. So yeah, I mean, this is a dark object. It's not an object that's illuminated at all whatsoever, but it does have a straight trajectory. It is a stable object. It's not spiraling. It's not out of shape either. It seems to have some straight symmetry to it. Just trying to see what we're finding up there. Thanks for stopping by, everyone. It's the weekend. I hope everyone's enjoying their weekend. I'm going to get another video up today and some more videos up tomorrow and throughout the rest of the week as the week progresses and I get back to work and we get used to waiting for that darn cold. A lot coming for the channel, guys. Thanks for watching. I really want to give another shout out to Jackson Holmes and Thomas Kugler. Guys, I love you for the help and for being part of this research and community members, and thanks a lot, guys. I'm looking forward to interacting with you all in the comment section. Thanks for the support. A lot is coming. Like I said, some new features to the channel. I'll be presenting them very soon. Thanks, everyone. I think I know where the UFOs are shooting out of the craters. Some of them anyways. We are seeing some come out of these towering objects that are 45-degree angles. They're just lifted off a little bit off the surface, but you see the shadow of it underneath it, and we'll see it here. We're going to slowly zoom in, but zoom in close enough. It's hard to see it. By the point we'll be really pressed up close to what I want to show you, you will see all the colors on the surface naturally appear. They are there. The surface is entirely colorful, but like Earth, if we were this high over Earth, we'd see the same thing. I believe we would see just clouds, you know, cloud cover. That's absolutely a possibility. Atmosphere on the moon, John Lear says it. He's been saying it for a long time. He's been working a lot on that to bring that out to the world. And this is exactly why I'm started this channel and doing this, to prove it all. Why? Because I saw in my footage truth of what John Lay was saying. Everything, many aspects, many things that he says. Now, these are the shafts that I'm talking to you about. Check it out. Every crater basically has one, and it's pointed up in that way. It looks like a snake head, some of them, different sizes, and they're pointed upwards and outwards. And I'm pretty sure that's where the UFOs could very easily take off already upwards, outwards, and over the cities. Now here's a cool UFO coming down from Mare Crisium. It's going to pass over the Apollo moon landing area. It's dark in shape. It looks square. It looks like it has a sort of a branch, arm, or shaft or something coming from it. I'll let you look at it. It's coming soon. It'll come from the top center and it'll go straight down, veer off a bit to the right. You'll see it well. I slowed it down a little bit for you to be able to see. Well, it's actually, sorry, it's not slowed down here. This is the original speed, but we will slow it down just a little bit for us to be able to see it a bit better. And here it comes. Okay, so wow, we're looking at a pretty big object. Watch it come down, slow down. We're going to slow it down a lot. And look at it. It's square, very square. Wow. It almost looks like the space station, right? But I don't know. Do we see it? I have no idea. We see a lot of different types of illuminations to these objects and crafts. It's just incredible. This one looks like a dark shadow. Watch it go by. It'll come from here as it descends. See? It does sort of squarish, but then it could be round, right? And that I understand it's hard to get the exact shape or size, but here it really sharpened. You can even see the atmosphere moving around down there. Watch it come down and watch the emanating, looking for fields. That black all around this object could be the field. It does look square, It really does look like a bed. And why am I saying that? Because the space station looks like a bed. I have seen someone said that they filmed it, and let me tell you something, guys. If someone's filming the space station, how could it be stationary? It's traveling at 54,000 kilometers an hour, I believe, something like that. It's very fast. Even the docking, when there's a docking at the space station, this is what we're talking about. So the space station, when there's a docking there, I do believe that they dock at 54,000 kilometers an hour. The craft approaching NASA or anything going to the space station has to travel at the same speed as the space station. So if someone's getting the space station or on video or something, I mean, cool, but is it stationary? I don't understand why it would be stationary. You can go see online, by the way, anyone, no matter where you are. I know in Canada, I imagine the United States of America also, to find out where the space station will be over your house and at what time you will be able to see it. Here it's often at 4:30, 4:45 in the morning that it can be seen here. So when I go out, I do see it, and it does look illuminated. It literally looks like a UFO going by, but doesn't look as fast as a UFO, of course, and you can see that it's going, and it will go by over top of my house. And the listing is online if you want to know what time it's there, and good luck trying to get it. I think the monocular would be a good attempt device to try to get this object. Where are all the structures? What do they look like? Where are they? How can we tell if they're structures or not? Why are you seeing the structures? We're going to zoom in to one area that I found a while back, and I haven't never really mentioned it. I did 1 or 2 videos ago talking about a certain platform-like. Now, when I talk about platform, I do mean platform-like object. When I say like, it's because I'm just trying to describe to you what we are seeing so that you can see on this video. It doesn't mean it's a platform, but it's platform looking. So we're looking at a square object. I've showed it, but there are shafts running, corridors, lines, whatever they may be, running from the bottom, maybe even mining shafts. These are all constructed objects, and you'll see it when we zoom into this platform-like object. I found structures on top. Symmetrical objects, 4 of them, in unison, side by side, approximately the same size or shape. We'll see that as we zoom in, and I'm going to show you a couple of other details of towering building-like objects right in our faces. Guys, we're not seeing or noticing these objects. They look like shadows, some of them. Here's the platform-like object. 1, 2, 3, and 4 objects on it. Here's the big building-like objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. They continue all downwards here underneath, and they're towering thousands of feet off the ground.